A report now has stated that BlueSmart will begin offering fleet services to its rival Uber, hinting at a sudden end to its 6-year journey. Joining us live, Mithali Nikore, economist, Dr. Jaideep Bhattacharya, President, CDEPR, is also live with us. Gautam Mukherjee, senior journalist, joins us live as well. Raj Kapoor, automobile expert, also is with us now on the broadcast. Let me make a start with you first. Mithali Nikore, what do you believe has gone so horribly wrong with this new company and new app which seem to be showing a lot of promise?
Absolutely, Uday. I'm pretty sure that many of us who live in Delhi NCR and, even when we travel to other cities, we've all taken a Blue Smart at some point. And there were many features about, the customer facing side of the app, which were really being appreciated by the consumers, by whether it's the timeliness or the quality of the vehicles and, even the training of the drivers. It was being done in a very nice way. However, in light of these allegations, it just shows you that, at the end of the day, the sources of financing that a company is bringing in, and also the kind of, corporate governance mechanisms that new companies in India need to put in. This is really concerning because, this is a consumer facing company. They have a large fleet of vehicles. They own all their vehicles. It's not, the model is very different from a ride hailing company like Uber, where, a driver is actually not their employee. But in the case of Blue Smart, all the drivers are actually employees of Blue Smart and the cars are owned by Blue Smart. So in such a scenario, we have so many millions of jobs on the line if this company collapses, and these jobs are of people from, the low income communities who have absolutely not contributed to this misgovernance of funds. So at the end of the day, there is a need for more checks and balances, and it's also thanks to the strong regulatory mechanisms that even this has come out, so early. Otherwise, it may have been several more years, and we may not have seen this in another country. But India's checks and balances really, it shows you how strong our checks and balances have become, that this scam has been unearthed. But of course, we need more details and more information, more filings to fully understand what this misappropriation of funds was, how much it was, and also, how can Blue Smart come out of this crisis, which has happened because of just one person, the promoter.